To get started with our science experiment, we're going to be making our containers. They could be any size you want. The main thing we want to focus on is this, a very skinny oval or a very skinny zero. This is going to show the roundness of the container. So if we take a look at this container, for example, here's that zero that I'm talking about. The cup is round. So that's why we're going to see these round lines. Now take a look at the bottom. It's also a round line. It goes down and back up. So that's the parts that we want to pay attention to, is a round, skinny oval on the top, two straight lines, or your own choice there. I'll show you that in a little bit. And then round line on the bottom. That's going to help this look 3D, like an actual container. We're going to be making our jar see-through today, which means we're going to be adding something else inside of it to show the magic science experiment liquid that we will be mixing together. So we'll get started on making a few of these containers. They're really easy, but you can also, as always, get creative with them. Let's find yourself a blank piece of paper, pencil, Sharpie, any type of black marker or colored pencil or crayon, you know the deal, and an eraser. The first step is going to start with an oval. It should be a pretty skinny-ish oval. We're not looking at it from above, which is a perfect circle. We're looking at it from the side. So it looks now like a little skinny circle. So how about we actually start over here on this side, so we have room for one here, and one here, right? One on the left, one on the right, one in the middle. Our first step is a nice long, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, and loop around, keep going, keep going, keep going, and loop around. Pretty easy so far. It's just an oval. If it's not big enough, you can always try again. I can actually fit all four fingers inside of there. Even 3 fingers, right? So we want it pretty big. The next step is going to be to make the sides of our jar. Let's keep it easy for now. Let's make a straight line down on one side. And you're really smart, you know what comes next. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. And then we're going to connect with a smiley face line. Remember, it's round. So we're